Kenya's legendary marathoner Eliud Kipchoge, celebrated as the pioneer of the sub-2-hour marathon, is stepping into a new chapter that combines mentorship with inspiration. His mantra "No human is limited" drives both his athletic journey and his upcoming autobiography, urging people to challenge barriers and pursue limitless ambition. Extending beyond the track, this philosophy resonates as a universal message of perseverance. Kipchoge's influence continues through his Nike partnership, highlighted by the upcoming Alphafly 3 release for fall or winter 2025, priced at $295. The shoe, featuring vibrant iridescent colorways over an off-white base, incorporates symbolic elements like a scribbled swoosh drawstring bag, making it more than just a performance sneaker. It stands as a reflection of his enduring legacy in sport, innovation, and motivation, inspiring athletes worldwide to push boundaries while honoring his transition from competition to guidance.